Hi community! In today's video, we'll explore a budget scaling scenario based on your campaign's performance. Some campaigns consistently show better results at specific times of the day or week. So if you notice such a pattern week after week, it's an excellent opportunity to test budget scaling and boost your results. Let's set up a rule to automate this action. It will target campaigns with active status. For the task, we'll select Increase Budget once a day by 20%, applying only to active campaigns. We won't set a budget cap in this case. For the condition, we'll select Website purchases today is greater than 3, which will filter for campaigns showing good results. Now, let's set up the rule schedule. We'll select Run on specific days and time based on our observations. Our campaigns perform well on Wednesdays from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. and on Fridays from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So we'll select these specific time slots in the schedule. If you're unsure about particular times, you can opt for standard frequency instead. This automated rule will help allocate our resources more efficiently, focusing our budget where it's most likely to generate positive results. Remember, every business and audience is unique, so analyze the results in the context of your goal and market. We're eager to hear about your experience. Try it out and share your results in the comments.